Think you've seen every Amazon gadget worth buying? Think again. These 25 finds are changing the game in kitchens, closets, bathrooms, and beyond, and they're all affordable, clever, and surprisingly useful. If you love smart solutions that make life easier, you're in the right place. Tired of juggling between an iron and a steamer? The Rowena Pure Force DR8822 combines both in one powerful device. With 1875 watts of power, it heats up in seconds, delivering up to 90 grams per minute of steam to tackle stubborn wrinkles. The XL sole plate is 40% larger, ensuring efficient coverage, while 5 steam settings cater to all fabric types. Its 7.1 ounces tank offers up to 12 minutes of continuous steam, and the 8.5 FT cord provides flexibility during use. Lightweight and equipped with auto-off safety features, it's designed for both vertical steaming and horizontal ironing. Whether you're refreshing garments or pressing curtains, this 2-in-1 tool simplifies your routine. Tired of metallic aftertastes in your beverages? It's designed for those who value taste as much as temperature. The Yogi ceramic line tumbler offers a pure drinking experience with its innovative ceramic lining, ensuring your drinks taste just as they should. Its double-wall vacuum insulation keeps beverages cold for up to 48 hours and hot for up to 5 hours. The 40 ounces capacity, combined with a comfortable handle and a leak-proof straw lid, makes it perfect for on-the-go hydration. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this tumbler is both stylish and functional. Whether you're commuting, working out, or relaxing at home, the Yogi tumbler is your ideal companion. Tired of touching the trash can lid every time? The Best of FitterChair 13-gallon touchless trash can offers a hygienic solution with its motion sensor technology, opening the lid automatically when you approach. Its brushed stainless steel finish resists fingerprints and adds a sleek look to any room. With a 50-litre capacity, it's perfect for kitchens, offices, or bathrooms. The quiet closed lid ensures minimal noise, and the sealed design helps contain odors. Upgrade your space with this modern, convenient waste bin. Struggling with bulky ironing boards in tight spaces? Perfect for quick touch-ups or small living spaces, it brings ironing convenience anywhere you need it. The Amazon Basics Tabletop ironing board offers a compact solution without compromising functionality. Measuring 77 x 29 cm, it provides ample space for ironing while fitting comfortably on most surfaces. Its foldable design, complemented by a V-shaped hook, ensures easy storage and portability. The board features extra thick comfort padding for a smooth ironing experience and a heavy-duty steel frame for stability. Anti-slip feet caps prevent unwanted movement during use, and a safety lock keeps it securely folded when not in use. Ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, or quick touch-ups, this ironing board combines convenience with durability. Running out of storage space but don't want bulky furniture? These wall-mounted shelves let you display and organize without sacrificing floor space. The Keg floating shelves offer a sleek solution. This set of 3 16-inch shelves provides ample room for books, plants, or toiletries, making them perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, or kitchens. Crafted from engineered wood with a rustic brown finish, they add a farmhouse charm to any decor. Each shelf supports up to 30 pounds, thanks to enhanced metal brackets and precise screws, ensuring stability and durability. The invisible bracket design gives a clean, floating appearance, and the 6.7-inch depth accommodates various items. Installation is straightforward with included tools and detailed instructions, allowing you to set them up in minutes. These shelves are not only functional but also enhance your wall space aesthetically. Need stylish storage without taking up floor space? They're perfect for turning plain walls into useful, stylish space. The Biker floating shelves offer a clean, modern look with functional design. This 2-pack includes two 2.5-inch rustic brown shelves that hold up to 22 pounds each, perfect for books, plants, or bathroom essentials. With invisible brackets and simple installation, they blend into any room with ease. Add charm and order to your walls in minutes. Doing laundry shouldn't be a hassle, and with the Joseph Toter 90-litre hamper, it's finally simple. This clever laundry basket features 2 spacious compartments, so you can easily sort lights and darks as you go. No more piles on the floor or digging through dirty clothes on wash day. Each section includes a removable, easy-carry fabric bag with soft handles and a base grip for effortless lifting and unloading. The self-locating rim ensures the bags fit perfectly back in place every time. Its compact rectangular design fits neatly against walls, while the modern acre color blends with any decor. Built from durable polypropylene, the toter is designed to last while keeping your space tidy. Ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, or laundry rooms, this is the kind of upgrade you didn't know you needed but won't want to live without. Tired of juggling multiple bags for your meals and drinks? It's the perfect all-in-one solution for keeping your meals fresh and organized on the go. The Mica DoubleDeck insulated lunch bag offers a spacious 15-liter capacity with dual compartments to keep hot and cold items separate. Its leak-proof PVA lining ensures no spills, while the thick insulation maintains temperatures for up to 7 hours. The bag features an expandable upper section, multiple pockets for utensils and personal items, and both a shoulder strap and handles for versatile carrying. Whether you're heading to work, school, or a picnic, this lunch bag combines functionality with style to meet your daily needs. Tired of constantly cleaning up after pets or worrying about spills on your sofa? The easygoing reversible couch cover offers a practical solution to keep your furniture looking fresh. Designed for 3-cushion sofas, this cover features a water-resistant fabric that helps protect against accidents and stains. Its reversible design in grey and light grey allows you to switch up your decor effortlessly. Foam sticks and elastic straps ensure the cover stays securely in place, even with active pets or kids. Measuring 11/18 DX11, 89 WX6, 5H, it's crafted from durable materials that withstand daily use. Customers praise its softness and ease of installation, noting that it fits well and adds a touch of style to their living spaces. Whether you're looking to protect new furniture or give an old sofa a facelift, this cover combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. Dragging laundry across the house is nobody's idea of fun. That's where this 150 litres large laundry basket with mechanism wheels comes in. It rolls smoothly in any direction on tile, wood, or carpet, making transport effortless. The extra large capacity is perfect for families or shared spaces, easily holding several loads of laundry. Made from durable, waterproof Oxford fabric, it resists moisture and is easy to clean. The collapsible design means it folds flat for compact storage when not in use. With reinforced handles and a modern neutral look, it's not just practical, it's a smart, stylish upgrade to your laundry routine. Looking for versatile and stylish food storage solutions? The Netany 6-pack 16 ounces glass jars offer a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. Crafted from premium BPA-free, lead-free glass, these jars ensure durability and a clear view of contents, preserving the freshness of your food. The specially designed lids provide an airtight seal, preventing leaks and maintaining flavor. Their wide mouth design allows for easy filling and cleaning, making them ideal for overnight oats, yogurt, salads, or snacks. The stackable feature optimizes storage space, and the colorful lids add a cheerful touch to your kitchen. Whether you're meal prepping, organizing your pantry, or creating DIY gifts, these jars are a reliable and attractive choice. Running out of space for bulky laundry baskets? The Brookstone 24 collapsible laundry basket offers a generous 11-gallon capacity while folding down to just 3 inches for easy storage. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, it features non-slip grip handles for comfortable carrying. Ventilation holes on the sides promote airflow, keeping your laundry fresh. Its minimalist design fits seamlessly into any room, making it ideal for small apartments, dorms, or homes where space is at a premium. Whether you're tackling daily laundry or organizing household items, this basket combines functionality with sleek aesthetics. Struggling to stay cool during hot days? The Amazon Basics 16 pedestal fan offers a powerful and customizable cooling solution for any room. Featuring dual blades, it delivers efficient airflow while maintaining a quiet operation, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. With 3 speed settings and 3 breeze modes: normal, nature, and sleep, you can tailor the airflow to your comfort. The adjustable height and tilt head ensure the air reaches where you need it most. A convenient remote control allows you to change settings from across the room, and the built-in timer lets you set automatic shut-off from 0.5 to 7.5 hours. Its sleek black design complements any decor, and the sturdy base provides stability. Easy to assemble and energy efficient, this pedestal fan is a reliable addition to your cooling appliances. Still dealing with saggy, mismatched hangers that waste closet space? The Utopia Home Velvet Hangers 50-pack offers a sleek, space-saving upgrade. Each hanger is covered in soft, non-slip velvet that grips clothing gently without causing shoulder bumps or stretching. The slim profile helps you fit more garments in your closet, while the heavy-duty design holds everything from delicate blouses to bulky coats. A 360-degree rotatable chrome hook adds convenience, making it easier to hang items in any direction. These hangers not only look elegant in black, but also help keep your wardrobe organized and wrinkle-free. Whether you're refreshing your closet or starting from scratch, this best-selling set delivers professional-level organization without breaking the bank. Tired of noisy fans that barely cool the room? The Drio Nomad one-tower fan delivers powerful airflow up to 25 feet per second while operating at a whisper-quiet 28 dB. Its bladeless design ensures safety and easy cleaning, and the 90 oscillation provides wide coverage. With 4 speeds and 4 modes, including a sleep mode with auto mute and an 8-hour timer, you can customize your comfort. The compact 36 profile fits seamlessly into any space, and the included remote control offers convenient adjustments from across the room. Whether you're working, sleeping, or relaxing, this fan combines efficiency and style to keep you cool. Tired of cluttered laundry rooms and clothes draped over furniture? The Amazon Basics foldable laundry rack is a practical solution for drying your clothes without taking up permanent space. Its sturdy, lightweight frame opens easily and offers 41.8 inches of vertical space to hang garments, towels, or delicates. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, the rack resists rust and folds flat for easy storage when not in use. With multiple rods and a stable structure, it allows for air circulation on every item. Whether you're line drying to save energy or caring for delicate fabrics, this rack makes laundry days cleaner and simpler. Want your bathroom to look modern and feel like a spa? This 36x36-inch LED mirror delivers style and functionality in one sleek design. It features both backlit and front lighting with adjustable brightness and 3 color modes: warm, neutral, and cool white, so you can get the perfect lighting every time. The built-in anti-fog system keeps the mirror clear after hot showers, while the memory function remembers your last setting. It's shatterproof, waterproof, and ideal for daily grooming. Wall-mounted and easy to install, this mirror brings elegance and practicality to any bathroom. Want to track your health beyond just body weight? The Renpho Smart Scale offers detailed insight with 13 essential body metrics including BMI, body fat, muscle mass, and more. With Bluetooth connectivity, it syncs seamlessly to the free Renpho app and other fitness apps like Apple Health, Fitbit, and Google Fit. The sleek, tempered glass design supports up to 400 pounds and turns on automatically when you step on. It's perfect for those who want to stay informed and motivated on their fitness journey. Whether you're starting fresh or fine-tuning your progress, this smart scale keeps you connected to your goals. Still struggling with messy meal prep or leaky leftovers? The Rubbermaid Brilliance containers are your answer. This 5-piece set is made from crystal clear, BPA-free plastic that's stain-resistant and stackable for organized storage. Each 3.2-cup container features airtight latches and leak-proof lids, keeping your food fresh and your bag clean. The built-in vents let you microwave meals without removing the lid, and their sleek, modular design fits easily into any fridge or lunch bag. Whether you're prepping for the week or saving last night's dinner, these containers deliver performance and convenience you can count on. Concerned about indoor air quality? The ThermaPro TP50 digital hygrometer provides accurate readings of temperature and humidity, helping you maintain a comfortable and healthy environment. Its compact design features a clear LCD display with large digits, making it easy to read from across the room. With a temperature range of 58F to 158F and humidity range of 10% to 99%, it's perfect for use in homes, offices, greenhouses, or nurseries. The device updates every 10 seconds and includes a humidity level icon to indicate air conditioning. conditions. Whether you're preventing mold growth or ensuring optimal comfort, the TP50 is a reliable choice. Looking for a stylish and practical way to enjoy fresh salads on the go? It's designed to keep every ingredient crisp, separated, and perfectly portioned until mealtime. The Benco salad lunch container offers a spacious 54 ounces bowl, perfect for mixing greens, proteins, and toppings. Its innovative 4-compartment tray keeps ingredients separate until you're ready to eat, ensuring maximum freshness. A 3 ounces leak-proof dressing container fits neatly in the center, and the built-in reusable fork snaps into the lid for convenience. The airtight lid features secure locking clips to prevent spills, making it ideal for work, school, or travel. Made from BPA-free materials, this container is both microwave and dishwasher safe, providing a hassle-free meal prep experience. Whether you're aiming for healthier lunches or need a reliable container for your favorite salads, the Benco salad lunch container combines functionality with a sleek design. Tired of scrubbing floors and tiles by hand? Designed to save your back and your time, it brings powerful cleaning to every corner of your home. The Dovid electric spin scrubber is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. With 2 adjustable speeds, 300 RPM for delicate surfaces and 500 revolutions per minute for tough grime, it tackles dirt effortlessly. The extendable handle adjusts from 14 to 53.5 inches, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas without bending or kneeling. Equipped with 8 replaceable brush heads, this scrubber is versatile enough for bathrooms, kitchens, floors, and even car wheels. The 3000 mAh battery charges via Type-C in just 2-3 hours and provides up to 90 minutes of continuous use. A new circular battery display keeps you informed of the remaining power. Lightweight and cordless, the Dovid spin scrubber makes deep cleaning faster and less strenuous, turning a once tedious chore into a manageable task. Tired of pet messes ruining your furniture? It's a must-have for any pet owner who wants to keep their home clean without sacrificing comfort. The Gogab 100% waterproof dog bed cover offers a practical solution. Measuring 30x70, it's designed to protect sofas, beds, and car seats from spills, stains, and pet hair. The reversible design features 2 stylish colors, allowing you to match your decor. Made from soft, quilted fabric, it provides a comfortable spot for your pet to rest. The waterproof layer ensures liquids don't seep through, keeping your furniture clean and dry. When it's time to clean, simply toss it in the washing machine. Whether you have a playful puppy or an aging pet, this cover combines functionality with comfort. Tired of your kitchen items sliding around every time you open a drawer? The Gorilla Grip Power Grip Liner offers a thick, non-adhesive surface that holds everything firmly in place. At 12 inches by 10 feet, it can be trimmed to fit cabinets, drawers, or shelves in the kitchen, bathroom, or even the garage. Its open weave, breathable design allows air to circulate while protecting surfaces from scratches and spills. Easy to install and reposition, it lays flat without curling or bunching. Whether you're organizing tools or utensils, this liner adds grip and durability where you need it most. Tired of messy paper towel rolls? The OXO Simplidia holder makes one-handed use easy with a spring-loaded arm that gently grips the roll in place. Its weighted stainless steel base keeps it steady, and the sleek design fits any kitchen. No more unraveling or tearing too much, just clean, controlled pulls every time.